Unlock the secrets to profitable fix and flips by mastering the ARV Euro after repair value Euro, and today, we're cracking the code using Redfin. First, head over to redfin.com and type in the address of the property you're analyzing. Once you're on the listing page, gather the key details: square footage, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, lot size, and the current listing price Euro. Write it all down. Now, the goldmine: comparable sales. Scroll down to the map view and zoom out slightly to see recently sold properties nearby. Focus on properties that are similar in size, age, and features to your target property after it's renovated. Click on each comparable sale to examine it closely. Note the sale price and the date it sold. Ideally, you want sales within the last 36 months for the most accurate data. Create a simple table to organize your comparables. List each property, its sale price, square footage, and most importantly, the price per square foot. Calculate the average price per square foot of your comparable sales. Multiply that average price per square foot by the square footage of your target property after renovation. This gives you a preliminary ARV. Now, estimate your renovation costs. Be realistic. Research local contractor rates and account for materials, labor, permits, and a contingency buffer for unexpected expenses. Finally, subtract your estimated renovation costs and the purchase price from your preliminary ARV. This gives you a rough idea of your potential profit. Remember, this is just an estimate. Consult with local real estate professionals and contractors for the most accurate assessment, and happy investing.